What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? So I'm back here. I decided to start doing some more signals. I decided to, just continue to do free signals. And get you guys, just get. I just want to just go ahead and just get my views up, get you guys some content as far as being able to get your trades off, and just I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna continue with that. Um, and that's it. So if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe for me, like, and then I'll continue to give you content that can help you in your trading and help you decide what you want to do. Okay. But I've been doing a few. I started a few experiments. I started creating several demo accounts because I wanted to do a new competition of different ideas against each other. And I ran into sort of a problem because I did a strategy that worked really well, and I can't remember which one was used. And so like this one uses some market structure. Each of these accounts start between either 1.2 million or 1 million flat. That's how this is doing. And then I had the one I didn't know was this one, and it did really well, almost a million return, and I don't even know what I used to get that. So, and that's lost. That's unfortunate. We have the engulf pattern, losing a daily engulf pattern, gaining. Okay, I just like try to do them without stop losses. Straight sentiment trades. Just put that in. Oh, that's right. Oh, this is actually a mistake. I had did a trade for like 11 million by mistake on a CFD, so that's why it says negative 11 balance. I'm gonna fix that as this is actually a dud, but I should can delete it, right? Yes, Trace, I'm gonna delete it, remove it. Yeah, because I'll just do it anyway. I was trying to trade it too fast and to traded the wrong instrument and destroyed the account. So this is the TSI H3 only. That was just started today, earlier today. Algo market structure was started a few hours ago. No stop, no SL. So if they go, they go, right? Um, that's at negative 83,000 right now. And Darva's box was just started negative 16,000. It just all these were just opened up, so it's gonna say that. And we're gonna watch these to see how they go um, over the next couple of days, over the next coming weeks. I'm gonna see if I can come up with other types of strategies to see how they do up against each other. I think it'll be a fun thing to do. Um, Darva's double, yeah, it'll be a fun thing to do, and just see how they stack up. Um, and then I'll get you guys some signal. I see a move. I see something that's moving. Um, I'll send you guys a signal. Okay. All right. So that's it. Just wanted to give you an update on what I'm doing, what I plan for the channel next, going forward, and see you guys in the next one. You can always join the conversation if you want on the KOFXS group. Um, I don't think I was trying to figure out where I put. Here it is, KOFXS group. You can find it if you tme.forward/ KOFXS group. Type that in your browser, and you can find a group if you want to have the chat. I may do some exclusive things there, or whatever. So, I mean, if it builds up and I've got significant followers, maybe I'll give you guys something special. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Peace.